Except I haven't been able to figure out, I don't know if anybody else has, how you toggle up and down between the two of them. You can't use up and down. It's not P1, P2. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how you toggle up and down to use them. So I would like to leave APRS and subband and ham radio Venture Overland up top, but it ain't working, as they say. I'm going to turn sub-channel on. Back out of there. Here we go. Okay, for me personally, I wanted my main DMR talk group on the top, channel A. I wanted APRS, channel B. If you want it the other way around, switch it. But make the changes, hit OK, save it. Okay, I have it. I was fighting with it to try to get the main channel switch to work in PF1 short key, or PF2 short key, or PF1 long key and PF2 long key positions, key functions. It will not work there. I don't know why. Maybe it's a firmware revision, but if I put it in a P1 long key, main channel switch, and then hit OK, then hit File and Save, and then write it to the radio, it will switch back and forth between the two zones. But I haven't been able to get the APRS in slot B to automatically transmit, so that'll be another video. Here you go. You can see Venture Overland on the top, APRS on the bottom. So if I give the P1 key along the press, it'll switch back and forth. So now APRS, even though I don't have a GPS lock, is transmitting. I'm going to go back to the top zone, display screen. Only way you can tell which one you're on, it gives it a little bit larger text. And I'm working on how to get APRS to work in the background to automatically transmit on sub-channel B. So anyway, stay tuned for that video.